I'm confused. It's raining and it's our first car ride. Not sure where to.
Why should I say that? We have made our pact. You know that, right? Let's go there. Don't worry about it. We have our Thar. Let's have a wonderful time.
We started our journey at midnight from Bangalore. The roads were calm, the city was asleep. Our Thar, Partha, was all set for his first big trip. By morning, we reached near Vijaypur.
ದಂಪತಿಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಂಟು ತಿಂಡಿ?
Yeah. తిక్కొందిజా అదే తిక్కొందిజా ఆ కనెక్ట్ అండి ఓలండి తిక్కుపోతుండు తిరుతుండు ఓలు
ರೋಡಾ
ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಡು
ಮಿತರ್ಪಾಡ ಕೂಡ
ಮಿತರ್ಪಾಲ್
ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು
ಓಲು
ಅವಳೇ ಜೊತೆ
ಅವಳೇ ಜಾತಿದ್ದು
ಓ ದೇವ
The next day, headed towards Kataldara. The roads soon turned into off-roads, but Partha was loving it. It was full of greenery, waterfall, water streams.
Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to know. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view.
Next to a stream, we brewed hot coffee. That feeling, making and drinking coffee in the middle of the hill, surrounded by nature, was something new and unforgettable. Trail was steep, adventure, but views? foggy. It was Shweta's first long trek, so this one was special.
ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ್ ಜೈ ಭವಾನಿ
मुझे बहुत पसंद है या समुद्र पसंद है मुझे मिसल पाव पसंद है
You're the sunshine on my mind. We're burning through the city of lights. You're the sunshine on my mind.
came a long way, 3-hour journey from Mustard Ghat. See, reverse waterfall.
One more time. Take 3.
What are you seeing? This